Slipper's back.
It burned good.
Oh!
That's right, everybody. We're doing the Flamin' Hot Chicken Sandwich. We got the recipe for the Flaming Hot seasoning. And here it goes. 5 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons powdered cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons powdered buttermilk, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon citric acid, 1 teaspoon MSG or accent, 1 teaspoon granulated garlic, 1 teaspoon granulated onion, 1 teaspoon red food color that comes in powder form. All are available on Amazon. I'll put the link below. You'll take all those ingredients, put them into a bowl, and mix them real well. If you have a coffee grinder, that's what I did. I put it all in the coffee grinder and turned that on. That really homogenized it up real nice. Anyways, we'll put those seasonings to the side, and we're going to start with our chicken. I've got 3 pieces of chicken breast that I've cut nice and thin, pounded out a little bit with the mallet, and we're going to do the traditional flour, egg, flour. So we'll start off with the flour, dip in the egg, and go back to the flour. Make sure each piece of chicken is covered nicely. You don't want it too thick of flour, but you want it nicely covered. And we'll put that on the plate. While I'm finishing up these other fillets, I've got my cast iron skillet out on the stove, medium heat, with some oil. Get that oil up to about 350. And once we finish up this, we'll move over and we'll start our frying. I've got some onion buns that I bought that I put under the toaster. Get those nice and toasty. And then we'll get to the oil. We'll put our chicken in. Always put the chicken away from you. And we're going to cook this chicken about 4 minutes per side, or until you get nice and golden brown, as you'll see here. Flip it over, go another 4 minutes. And once the chicken is done, we're going to remove it and put it on a wire rack so it drains nice and stays crispy. You don't want it sitting in paper towel oil, because then it doesn't stay crispy. Okay, now it's time to coat with our Flaming Hot seasoning. I've got a strainer out, fine mesh, and we're just going to put some seasoning in there and go right over the top. Give it a little shake, a little wiggle, and get each piece of chicken coated nicely with the Flaming Hot seasoning. Okay, now we'll set that to the side, and it's time to assemble our chicken sandwich. A little bit of mayonnaise on each side of the onion bun. Then we're going to go with 1 slice of pepper jack cheese, 2 pieces of bacon, our Flamin' Hot chicken, another slice of pepper jack cheese, 2 more pieces of bacon, which is actually 1 slice cut in half, so it's not that bad. And put our bun back on top. And there we have it, the Flamin' Hot chicken sandwich. This thing is awesome. That Flamin' Hot seasoning is spot on. You can use it on chicken nuggets, anything you have. But give this a try. Everybody's going to love it. If you like the Flamin' Hot Cheetos, you're going to love this sandwich. All right, remember to like, share, subscribe, and come back. Thank you.